do the second rule. The first rule we're done. So the second rule says, under cosine rule in trigonometry paper 2, it says when you are given three sides without no angle inside a triangle, we use cos rule. Thus we find an angle. So the saying that I'm saying is this one. You are given three sides without no angle inside, then you'll be told to find an angle. It can be either A, C, or B. You are using cosine rule. Cosine rule. So here we've been told to say calculate angle BAC. So you get the one that is underneath you, then you make as if we're going to calculate this angle. Okay, so we use the same formula that we were using on the first rule, but we are going to break it down into a half formula so that it can be simple for us. So the way you are going to write your formula is, you are going to say cos, since we are finding for cos, what angle is solving? A. Then equals. Then you are going to say this side D, B, and side D, C. So you are going to say what is, you are going to put B here, you are going to put side C here, and then side A. So here, the ones that you are not solving, which is the B and the C, are what we are putting here. So you are going to say the formula for solving A, it will be B squared, then plus C squared, then minus the A that you are solving squared over 2 times these that you are putting here are what you are putting down. It will be B times C. Then if you are solving for B, the formula will be, you start with A squared, then plus C squared minus the one that you are solving is what you are putting here. You say B squared over these that you are putting here, what you are putting down, it will be 2 times A times C. Then if you are solving for C, it will be A squared, then plus B squared minus C squared. These small letters are what you are calling side. Then over 2 times. These that you are putting here, these two are what you are putting down. You say A times B. So since here we are finding this one that is up there, we are finding angle A. So we are going to get this formula. If you are finding an angle in cosine rule, you need to use, it is either here, I'm not saying that it will be always AB, they can put different letters, but as long as you know what you are finding here. So what you are finding here is what you are putting on the last one. Even here, B is what we are putting here as a side. C is what we are putting here. Then what you are putting here are what you are not finding. Same here, what we are putting, these two are what you are not finding. Are the same thing that we are putting down here. So since we know that we are finding A, angle A, we have been told to say we need to find angle A. So these are the formulas that you need to write. Then I'm going to rub these two since we are finding for A. Since we are finding for A. So we are going to start. Cos A is equals to, where there is B, you put the side for B where the B is facing, where the B is corresponding. It is 45 squared. Then plus C, where the C is corresponding or facing is 275 squared. Then minus, then where the A is facing, the side for A is 300. Then over, we are going to say 2 times, what is our B? Where the B is facing, the side is 45. Then times the C side is 275. You are going to have something in it. Even if you use the formula, you are going to reach at the stage that you reach here. Even if you use that first formula or you use this formula, formula, the answer will still be the same. But this one I've just cutted the formula in as a half. So here is squared. Then you punch the ones that are on top on your calculator. Say 45 squared, then plus 275 squared, then minus 300 squared. What are you going to have? You are getting cos A is equals to neg 12 350. Then you punch on the calculator, that's what is down. 2 times 45 times 275. You are getting 24 750. Then now, when you reach here, please note, don't make this to divide. You take this cos, since we are finding angle A. So you take this cos, you take the cos this side, and then this A will be alone. So it will be something like if we have A, the cos will jump an equal sign, it becomes an inverse. So it will be cos inverse. Then you put them in the bracket, you say negative 12 350 over 2 4 7 50. Then you punch this on the calculator. Don't divide here. Just get this cos jump this side so that we remain with A. So what is our answer? When we punch on the calculator, you say shift to those who have calculator. Then you say cos, it will give you a cos with this inverse, it will bring cos with this. Then you say open bracket, then you say negative 12 350, then divide by 24750, close. What are you getting? You are getting 119.9331947. Now, since we are finding an angle, and an angle is always measured in degrees, we leave the answer to 1 decimal point. 1 decimal point is here. This 9 is 1 decimal point. What's the next number? Is 3. 3 can't give this one. So we're going to write our final answer as A is equals to 119.9 degrees. Then you are done.